morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, or if you are new here, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. We have a couple of jobs to get done today. I'm digging out for a vegetable patch and Lee is removing the Rayburn from the kitchen, so I hope you enjoy our video. Right, we've kind of mapped out where we want the 3 veg patches. I am going to start digging out the first one. Not sure, well, I definitely won't get all 3 done today, but I just want to get one done. At least then we can start growing. So, let's start digging. The turf that I'm digging up, I'm going to place just here, and it will add to a bit of privacy. Right, it's about half now. I'm going to stop, have some lunch, walk Arthur down to the river, and I'll carry on later.
Okay, so one of the next jobs for us to do, because this area at some point is going to change, it's really important that we get this removed. Unfortunately, it's unusable, badly stained. It would cost a lot of money to get this back into a working condition. They did used to use this to heat water in the house, but the whole ceiling was all sooted up and everything, but it's not in working condition anymore really. So unfortunately the 4 bolts on it are completely rusted through, and I've tried on about 3 different occasions to try and move the bolts. I've taken some parts off it because Emma's parents have got one of these, so they're going to use those for spare parts. The rest of it unfortunately will need to be dismantled and taken apart. So yeah, let's get on with it. First we'll take some of the doors off. We've taken one door off, just need to take the others off now. Clear. As you can see, the Rayburn is now in many pieces. Some of them are going to be reused, rehomed. As you can see, the condition of it is not the best. So it had to go, unfortunately. It was unrepairable. So next job, clear the rest of this rubble away, take it to the skip, take off some of these lovely old tiles and get this area ready for one day to have a wood burner in here.
Walk down this lane a few times a week. Our little place to walk. Most of the time go over the sty, so that's why Arthur's just gone over there. It's lovely down there. The overflow coming down from the fields. It's really pretty down the bottom bit. There you can see the stream. It's lovely coming down here in the summer because you can have a good paddle, have a drink and cool off. Not too far, Arthur. Arthur, come here. Come on. And something over there. Come on. He's a good boy. Water drains off from the fields. Just through there, and through that gap. It's actually not too bad today. Sometimes it's absolutely gushing through there, and this is just, yeah, really overflowing. It's a lovely little spot. Really peaceful. Right, that's finished. Obviously needs the edging neatening up a bit, and we'll probably put some boards or sleepers or something around the edge. But at least now in the spring I can grow some carrots, radishes and I think lettuce. Lee has got the fire started, so I'll just sit down, have a cider, relax for a minute. Cheers. Thank you for watching our video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like and a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Got lots of things planned for this year. Lots of days out on the beach and lots of renovation work with the house and other bits and bobs. Thank you, Arthur. But yeah, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.